What is up, guys? Welcome to another video. I'm Ferracciu, and today we're gonna be doing a really quick modification to my car. Now, many of you know that I bought an F30 335i, and my biggest pet peeve about this car is this interior trim. So the first thing I did, I went online and bought some vinyl. I bought the samples of aluminum, brushed aluminum, black brushed aluminum, just to see what would look better. And I went with this one that I'm gonna show you right now. So as you can already tell, the center console I have already done just to see if I really like the contrast, because there is an aluminum piece to the trim on the F30. So the first thing I did was I did the center console just to see if the contrast would be okay. There's not much secret here, just start popping off the interior trim, take it to a bench and start wrapping it. One thing I wanted to make sure I did correctly was, since it was brushed aluminum, there are lines to the wrap, and I want to make sure that all of them were horizontal. So you look at a piece and it's not like mismatched. Everything that came on that color on the car, I decided to pop it off and wrap it. I had to do the door handles, everything on the dash, like the AC vents, and also the big piece on the dash, the center console, and I think that was about it. Once I had all the pieces wrapped, I took it back on the car, popped it into place, and this is how it looked. I do have on this channel a really old video which I did the same thing to my Mazda Speed. The color of the trims on the Speed 3 actually do look good, but mine were starting to fade with only the car being 3 years old. So I decided to wrap it, and now I'm doing it on the 335 for another reason. But anyway, let me know if you like this color combination, if you liked it before or after, and I'll see you guys in the next project.